Morning guys, as you see, Zoe was doing some schoolwork, and today's video is going to be a cleanup of the patio. She had to put some chemicals in the pool, so I decided to come outside and get this place tidied up. But before we get into that, it is a collab with Mika Marie. I'm going to let her go ahead and introduce herself to you guys.
Hey loves, I'm Mika from the channel Mika Marie, and on my channel I do lifestyle, home, and motherhood content. If you like those type of videos, I would love if you head on over to my channel after you're done watching Natasha. In today's video, I'm actually doing a KonMari kitchen clean, declutter, and organize, and I would love to have you guys come and watch. If you do head on over after you're done watching Natasha, don't forget to show me some love in the comment section below. Let me know who you are. I love to get to know you guys, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain. You're new to me, I don't know who you are, be like a piece of art. I want more, but better slow it down. Inside my mind is getting all too loud, I get scared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not used to this, not prepared. Not prepared. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me. You getting into my brain, I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain, you getting into my brain. You're 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 getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? Though there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? gray.
So here, I just wanted to show you guys the amount of dirt that was on here. I can't tell you the last time that I cleaned out here, so I just wanted you to see what it looked like before I started cleaning.
You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
So here I'm just showing the difference of where I wiped down and what I have left to do, and you can see the difference of the dirt and what it looks like.
XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like Petro. Just trying to take you way up, but it just go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray.
What you doing, Sanaa? What you watching on TV? Mika Marie, doing a little color activity. We actually did one yesterday as well, and we hung them up here. Just gave us something to do. Sanaa, of course, doesn't want to be bothered with us. She's listening to her music, and yeah, Mason's starting to color his Spider-Man book. Zoe's starting there, and then mine is over there, so I'm going to start coloring as well.
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy.
Make sure you remember to check out Mika's channel when you leave here. And if you're new from her channel, definitely subscribe. I would love to have you guys here. And I'll see you guys next time.